What's happening, everybody? Today we got a zx6r stunt bike build. Thing came in shambles. She needed a lot of loving, but we're gonna get it right. Getting ready to do the fork seals today. I already did the plugs, clean air mods finished. Just got a bunch of new parts in. Well, I shouldn't say a bunch, but I got a few things. Pads, tail light, fork seals. K&N filter's already in. So yeah, man, can't wait. Get this thing back on the road looking fresh. Stay tuned. All right, I'm not gonna do too many how-to videos in full-on detail, but I will give a quick breakdown on what we gotta do here to get these fork seals done. So first and foremost, you wanna make sure your bike's supported nice and safe. I use this type of jack here. Scissor jack works great. So once you got it all supported, then you can move up here. We're gonna break our top triple pinch bolts each side. And after that, I'm gonna break my fork cap bolts now to get that out of the way so I don't have any problems later on. You can move down to the front wheel. You're gonna break this side pinch bolts first. Get your axle nut loosened. Pull your calipers each side. Get those out of the way. Pull the axle, pull the wheel. Then you can move on to your lower triple pinch bolts. Bam. And drop them out. All right, stay tuned.